Hello friends, good morning from Dar es Salaam. Today I am taking you to another new spot in Tanzania. It's called the Choma waterfalls in Morogoro mountains. So we have started our trip from 5 am in the morning in Dar es Salaam, and the road to Morogoro was very nice, as you can see here. We wanted to enjoy this beautiful road trip. We stopped in between for breakfast in a restaurant and then completed the drive in around 5 hours. This was all because of the traffic in the road. The road from Dar es Salaam to Morogoro, mainly all the vehicles that are Tanzania serves as an important port for the entire East Africa. So all the import-export happens from Dar es Salaam to all the East African countries like Rwanda, Zambia, and all those countries, inland African countries. So once we reached the base camp of this particular waterfalls, Choma, there was an option either to trek or you can take these motorbikes. So we wanted actually to trek, but we wanted both ways. So we wanted to try this motor trip as well as the trek. So till the base camp of Choma, we tried doing the driving, motorcycle driving, and from the base camp of Choma, we thought of trekking to the tip of the mountain point. One is the Morning Star, another is the base camping site. So we went to the camping site for trekking. As you can see, the route was very scenic and full of shades and trees. Although it is peak summer in Dar es Salaam, we didn't feel that much hot out here. This is a nice viewpoint. We reached out here on our way to the waterfall. We stopped here for some time to catch our breath and enjoy this beautiful view. There were some village boys who were selling strawberries and blueberries out here.
Welcoming.
The very minimal price. And the quality is also very good because it is grown here.
No.
This is actually the Choma waterfalls. From here you need to trek down a little bit and reach the falls, maybe a few steps only. And from there we started trekking towards the uphill mountain. We started our trek here. It's around 1 hour. Within 1 hour 5-10 minutes we reached the camping site. The initial trek was very steep, but then it flattened out a little bit.
guys. Face shadow is coming dark.
We almost reached the camp here. The trek was really nice. This was what we came
This one
here
we should
for,
come in the morning.
and to bathe in the waterfall. But these views are amazing. The play of the shadows, the play of the clouds. Somewhere it's shadow, somewhere it is sunny. It's amazing views. And to tell about the cost and the way we traveled here, we took a car for rent, and we paid him a lump sum of 300,000 shillings for the whole journey, along with the fuel. The guy was a friend of mine, so we negotiated, and he gave us a good price. And the bikes, they charged us around 15,000 for to and fro from the mountain base to the waterfalls and back. And then we had some food in the Morogoro town, around 100,000 for 5 persons. So that was it for the whole cost. And we bought some strawberries out here, which are only 3,000 per packet, which we get in Dar es Salaam for 5,000. The same is available in 3,000 per packet. And the entrance fee to the park is around 2,000 for the East Indian people, East African people. For the foreigners, it's around 10,000, I guess. But we had residence permit, so we were counted as residents only here. And this is the beautiful waterfall for which we came here. Although it is peak summer, but still a lot of water is there. And when we are standing down inside the waterfall, the force of the water is like it was slapping us. So much of force it was coming down. And this is Musisa, our office colleague. Some people out there singing and dancing beneath the waterfall. So if you still ask me whether it's better to come by train or by car, I would suggest to come by train itself, because the timing is very less. It's only 1.5 hours to 1 hour 40 minutes. While driving, it's around 5 hours. Although driving has its own benefits of seeing the different places and roads, like we saw Chalinzi, the pineapple capital of Tanzania. But still, you will get more time at the destination at waterfalls and the trekking. And then by night 8:30, you can take the last train from Morogoro back to Dar es Salaam if you are planning for a one-day trip. So, and the cost-wise also it will be almost similar. So I would suggest that you take the Morogoro train. Morogoro train does SGR train. In that way, the journey will also be not too much, not tiring. The main problem is the traffic here in Dar es Salaam. So that's it, guys. After this waterfall bath, we started our return trip. In the meantime, on the midway, we had our lunch. And thanks for watching. See you again.